Hello everyone. From today onwards, we will learn about the concept that is the operating system. Before learning about the operating system, first we have to know about the basics of the operating system. So, first part come is the software. Software is the set of instructions, data programs used to operate the computers and execute the specific task. We can also say that software is the programming code executed on the computer. So basically, software is a set of instructions that we give to the computer and according to that our computer works. Example of the software are MS Word, MS Excel, then PowerPoint, Microsoft, Google Chrome's applications, Photoshop, MySQL, etc. There are the three types of the computer software. First part is the system software, second part is the application software, third part is the programming software. Let us learn about them one by one. So first part is system software. System software is the component of the computer software that directly operates with the hardware which has worked to control the computer internal functioning. Means system software is basically, we can say that it directly operates the system hardware and control the computer's internal functioning. Also, it takes responsibility of controlling the hardware devices such as printers, storage devices, etc. So basically see that our computer's system software part of the software directly operates our computer hardware and controls the internal functioning of the computer, and there are types of system software includes operating system, languages, processors and device driver. Now next part is application software. What is the meaning of application software? Application software is that works on basics operation of the computer. So basically, we can see the our application software do the work of basic operation of the computer. It performs the specific task for the user. Application software includes word processor and spreadsheet, etc. Types of software includes general purpose software, customized software. Basically, we can say that application software is like as the apps on our mobile that we can install after our basic software installation, and we can take that apps by using the Play Store. Same as it is application software works. Next part, third type is an programming software. What is the meaning of programming software? Programming software comprises tool used by the developers to create, write, test, maintain other software application. It provides it provides environment. What it provides? It provides the environment to whom the programmers can develop, debug, and optimize their code. Basically, it is the software which is useful for the programmers for what to develop, to customize, to debug their code. Examples: integrated development environment, IDEs like as Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, PyCharm. We can say that these applications are this basically programming software works for the programmers so that they can easily create the code and optimize it. Then next part of the basics of software is the hardware. What is the meaning of hardware? Hardware is the physical component of the computer. Physical component means the parts of the computer that we can see, we can touch them, or we can say physically touch them. Computer hardware refers to the physical, electronic and mechanical components. Components such as examples, see the examples. Examples are computers, processors, memory devices, monitor. printer, keyboard, mouse, CPU, central processing unit. Also, there are four types of the computer hardware. First part is an input device, second part is the output device, third part is the storage device, and fourth part is the internal component. Let us see all of these parts one by one. So first part is an input devices. Input devices are those devices through which user can enter the data information into the computer. Simply, user can interact with the computer. Basically, simple meaning of the input devices giving something to the computer are this work done by them, those are known as the input devices. Basically, input devices are the devices by which user can enter a data or information or tell computer something to do the task. So example of the computer devices are keyboard, monitor, scanner, etc. Then next part is output devices. So what are the output devices? Output devices are those devices who show the result of the task performed by the user. Suppose when we give input to calculator, basic example of the calculator, when we give our inputs like 2 plus 2, we give the input to our computer and computer gives us result, that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So example of the output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Let us see the next part. Next part is the storage devices. What is meaning of the storage devices? Storage devices are the devices that are used for what? For storing the data. They can also known as the secondary storage data. Secondary storage means primary storage where we can store our temporary data and secondary storage where we can save our document for the permanent purpose. This example of the storage devices are CD, DVDs, hard disk, etc. Next part is internal component. So what are the internal component? Internal component are consist of important hardware devices present in our system. So examples of the internal devices components are CPU, motherboard. These are the internal devices which are situated in our box of the CPU, where motherboard is designed in the square form. This is for today. After that, we will learn about the definition of the computer. Thanks for watching the video.